Alright y'all, this is part 2 to the Hunter the Vista unboxing video. In part 1 I did the blades, everything underneath the blades, everything underneath here, and this thing. Now we're at the canopy with the trilobular ball. Make sure y'all check out part 1. Don't watch this before you watch part 1. Because there's a lot of necessary Hunter information in part 1, especially about this fan. Here's the canopy, which I believe Hunter doesn't do this style of canopy anymore either. Alright, everything else here is in part 1. I'm not going to do it again. Let's go. Oh, heavy with one arm. Good God. Everything Hunter does is heavy. That's good. Now, well, thank you, Stu. I gave all that information in part 1 if you don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, so in here, you have the light fitter. It's sealed. Just like on my Genoa 2, they had the very similar light fitter. Not as good quality, but close as this. It's also sealed in its bag. It does have the looped pull chain, if you can see it. Y'all see that? Yeah, there you go, the looped pull chain. Here's the down rod, also sealed. Ooh, little tiny down rod. That's good. I like little short down rods because I'm a tall dude, 6'2", almost 6'3". I don't need that. And it does have the hook right there. Very nice. Here's the globe that is freaking bigger than my head. Gives this fan a very classic look. The rubber band is since broken off there, but look at that. Nice little ring around it there in the center. Just gives it a little bit of contrast to make it not look like one of those giant 30-inch huggers. Make it look like a giant version of them. I'm going to repackage that after the video ends. Here is this behemoth Hunter Air Max motor. What I consider to be one of the top 2 greatest fan motors ever produced. Now that is a very bold statement, but these Air Max motors that Hunter did have a lot of power. Very powerful motor. I don't remember, let me see here what the CFM on this thing is. It is I don't know what the CFM is. I know it's ridiculously high. Alright, anyway. The bag is tied. This is the only thing I'm going to pull out of its plastic. Look at that. Air Max motor. The motor fans itself. Look at these freaking packaging bushings. Everything about this fan is badass, dude. Everything. Look at that. Air Max. That is, in my opinion, and it's a popular opinion. It may not be everybody's, but I've heard it a lot. This, along with, I believe, the K63 motor. I could be mistaken. Is it K55 or 63? I know that both of those are a motor. Anyway, I believe that this and that motor, again, correct me if I'm wrong. I know that this, though, is one of the single 2 In popular opinion, amongst fan collectors that I've heard, and in my opinion personally, from what I've seen in my collection, this is one of the greatest 2 fan motors ever produced. These Air Max motors breathe, and there's a lot more of this on Hunter's. Google Hunter Air Max motor or YouTube it, and you'll find videos that Hunter made that are very interesting. It doesn't take up the whole motor housing, but it doesn't have to. These motors seem to hold their own pretty good. Hunter Air Max motors, they're awesome. I have this one, and I have a 4-blade one. And I had another one of these, but something happened and it doesn't work anymore. Something inside of it was defective, or it overheated or something. I don't remember. Which I don't know why it would have overheated, because these motors are meant to breathe. But anyway, if y'all just Google these, you'll see that they're awesome fan motors. I mean, just look at that. Never seen anything like it. Looks like something that would power a freaking washing machine. But anyway, I'm just gonna... Oh, and there's that beautiful Hunter logo that sadly has been erased. This is back when Hunter's light wire was black with the white stripe. How... Everything about this thing is nostalgic for me. I grew up with these Hunter fans. Alright, if you want to see all that, go to part 1. That's going to do it for this unboxing. So, again, I know I'm annoying about this, but make sure you go watch part 1 as well. And subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more unboxings like this, go to my channel, go to playlists, go to unboxings, and boom, you'll see a whole bunch of them. Also, follow me on Instagram for this YouTube channel at the DIY and Ceiling Fan channel. All lowercase, all one word. You'll see uploads before they're posted. So, bye.